see that we're the little blue dot traveling the top left of the phone. Google Earth, Route 666, sorry about that. And off to the left, you can see the grid pattern. Sorry, the car shake. Property for sale. Imagine that. This is Allegheny National Forest. You can actually hear the tractors working. That's not the tractor, that's the compressor. You hear that? Wow. There's the stream. Route 866. Or 666, I'm sorry. There's a grid pattern cut back through this whole place. Right along the creek. Beautiful. Sad that I can hear that sound from the road. You can see the tank. A little roadway cut in. Sorry, I zoomed into the wrong thing. Yes, sir. This is your Allegheny National Forest. Yeah, I'll say it again. It's annoying.